Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Our Family, and today we will study page number 3 and 4. We have completed page number 1 and 2. We have read the chapter and also done the hard words. Today we will start reading page 3 and 4 of the lesson 1. Now children, come to page number 3. The topic is birth of babies. Now start reading. A mother gives birth to a baby. A newborn baby cannot do anything itself for a few months. Now children, underline the word newborn. N-E-W-B-O-R-N. Newborn is a word made up of two words, new plus born. N-E-W, new, B-O-R-N, born. A newborn baby means the baby who has come in the world just few days ago. Okay? Means who is new to the world. Now the next line is, a newborn baby cannot do itself for a few months. A newborn baby is unable to move itself. He can't move, he can't eat, he can't play, he can't do anything. So, the next line is, the mother takes care of all its needs. Underline the word needs. N-E-E-D-S, needs. Needs is what you must have are your needs. Needs are what you must have. She feeds the baby. Feeds me. Underline the word feeds. F-E-E-D-S, feeds. Feeds means to give food to eat. To give food to eat to animal or a human being. Okay? And protects it from all dangers. Now underline the word protects. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-S, protects. Underline this word. Protects means to keep it safe. And dangers. D-A-N-G-E-R-S, dangers. Dangers means risk. Chance of being risky is known as danger. Now first point is, like human beings. Human beings means we, the people, are called as human beings. Underline the word human beings. H-U-M-A-N-B-E-I-N-G-S. Like human beings, some animals like cows, dogs and cats also give birth to their young ones. Underline the word young ones. Y-O-U-N-G, young, O-N-E-S, young ones. It means babies. The babies are known as young ones. Next point, some animals like birds lay eggs and the babies hatch from eggs. Underline the word hatch. H-A-T-C-H. Some animals lay eggs and the babies come out of their eggs. So, hatch means to come out of an egg. For example, underline the word example. E-X-A-M-P-L-E. Example means for instance. A chick grows inside the egg. Chick is a baby of a hen. Chick is a baby of a hen. A chick grows inside the egg. Underline the word grows. G-R-O-W-S. Grows means to increase in size. To grow. To become big. Okay. Grows inside the egg, and when it is ready, underline the word ready, R-E-A-D-Y. ready. To come out, it breaks the eggshell. When a chick is ready to come out of the egg, then it breaks the eggshell. Underline the word shell, S-H-E-L-L. Shell means outer cover. The cover of anything is known as shell, S-H-E-L-L. For example, a tortoise lives in its shell, means the cover of the tortoise is known as shell, S-H-E-L-L. You have to underline this word. Now fact ant. There is a yellow box at the bottom of the page and it is fact ant. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their milk are called mammals. Underline the word mammals, M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Children, you know some animals give birth to their young ones, give birth to their babies, and some animals lay eggs. So those animals who give birth to young ones directly are called as mammals. For example, human beings, cows, dogs, cats, etc. all are mammals. So come to page number 4. Page number 4 starts with a table titled Fun Time. So you have to do this activity in your book. Question number A is, circle the animals that lay eggs with red crayon and those that give birth to babies with green crayons. So children, there are pictures of animals. You have to circle the picture of the animal with either red or green crayon. Accordingly, the animals which give birth to babies, you have to circle it with green crayon, and the animals that lay eggs, you have to circle it with red crayon. So likewise it is done in the book. I have done it. You also have to do this activity in your book. So first animal is lion. Lion gives birth to baby. A lion gives birth to baby. So you have to circle it with the green crayon. And below lion there is a picture of duck. Circle it with red crayon because duck lays eggs. Now come to question number B. Find out and write the names of the young ones of the following animals. Number 1 is horse. Horse, the baby of the horse is known as foal, F-O-A-L, foal. Second is cow. The baby of the cow is known as calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Third is loin. And loin gives birth to baby called as cub, C-U-B, cub. Fourth, dog. The baby of a dog is known as puppy, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Number 5th is goat. The baby of a goat is known as kid. 6th is sheep. The baby of a sheep is known as lamb. Do this activity in your book only. So children, there is an activity for you all. There is a chart given here and you have to match the animal with their babies. And then you will write the name written on the bottom of the picture of that animal. For example, one is being done for you. The baby of a cat is kitten, and so you will write where it is written cat, you will write kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Now children, hard words what we have studied on page number 3 and 4. Children, your today's assignment is number 1, write all the hard words in your notebook and also write their meanings. Number 2, learn the spellings of hard words. Number 3 is draw the chart of animals and their young ones. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.